How do you care for a zero-bearded dragon? If you have a zero-bearded dragon or are thinking about getting one, you might be wondering how to provide the best care for this unique lizard. Caring for a zero-bearded dragon involves understanding their specific needs in terms of habitat, diet, hydration, and hygiene. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to create a suitable habitat. A minimum enclosure size of 30 to 40 gallons is ideal for an adult zero-bearded dragon. This size allows enough space for movement and exercise. Inside the enclosure, provide a basking spot with temperatures between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Since bearded dragons are ectothermic, they depend on external heat to regulate their body temperature. The cooler side of the tank should be around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep humidity levels between 20% and 40% to mimic their natural dry environment. Full-spectrum ultraviolet B lighting is essential for 12 to 14 hours a day to help with vitamin D3 synthesis, which is vital for calcium metabolism and bone health. Next, let's talk about diet. Zero-bearded dragons are omnivorous. Their meals should include a variety of live insects like crickets and dubia roaches, along with fresh vegetables and occasional fruits. It is important to avoid citrus fruits, as they can be harmful. Juvenile dragons need more protein from insects, while adults should have a higher proportion of vegetables. Feeding frequency varies with age. Juveniles should eat daily, while adults can be fed every other day. Hydration is also important. Bathing your dragon 3 or more times a week in warm water helps with hydration and assists in shedding. The water should be warm but not hot, reaching only up to the chest or halfway up the front legs. Always supervise your dragon during baths to ensure safety. Maintaining cleanliness in the enclosure is essential. Spot clean daily by removing uneaten food and waste. Wash water and food dishes every day to prevent bacteria growth. A thorough cleaning of the habitat should occur at least once a week using reptile-safe cleaners or diluted bleach solutions. Make sure to rinse away all residues before returning your dragon to its home. When it comes to handling, be gentle and limit interactions at first to reduce stress. Allow your dragon to acclimate to its new environment for about a week before regular handling. Always wash your hands before and after handling to prevent the spread of germs. In summary, caring for a zero-bearded dragon requires attention to their habitat, diet, hydration, and hygiene. Their unique coloration does not change their care needs, but they may be more sensitive to light. Monitoring their ultraviolet exposure and providing shaded areas can be beneficial. With consistent care, your zero-bearded dragon can thrive and become a wonderful companion.